In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add new users to HubSpot. By the end, you'll be able to invite one or many teammates in just a couple of clicks, assign the right access, and get everyone up and running without confusion. Start on your HubSpot dashboard and look for the search bar at the top left. This universal search is the fastest way to jump into admin areas, so click into it and type users. You'll see a result that points to the users section. Go ahead and click that result. This takes you straight to the settings area for users and teams, which is the central place to manage who can log in and what they can do. On the users page, look toward the top right of the user table and click Create User. This opens a panel where you'll add people by email. Type in the email address for each person you want to invite. If you're adding multiple users at once, press Enter after each email to stack them up. Take a moment to double-check spelling and domains, because invitations are sent to exactly what you enter. If you're onboarding a large group, it can help to paste from a clean list to avoid typos. Next, select their access levels. This is where you decide what parts of HubSpot each person can see and edit. Choose the permissions or preset roles that fit their job, and remember the principle of least privilege. Give just what they need to do their work. You can always return here later to adjust permissions as responsibilities change. If you're unsure, start conservatively and expand access once they're active. When you're finished, review everything on the summary screen. Make sure the email list looks right and that the access choices match each person's role. Then confirm to add them. HubSpot will send invitation emails so they can accept and sign in. There's nothing else you need to do on this screen unless you want to keep adding more users. That's all it takes. Search for users, open the users and team settings, click Create User, enter the email addresses, pressing Enter to add multiples, choose the appropriate access levels, review, and add them. A quick tip: keep a simple reference of which roles map to which permissions at your company, so future invites stay consistent. And if you're scaling, consider grouping people into teams later to streamline reporting and permission updates. You now know the fastest, most reliable way to add new users in HubSpot. Follow these steps, and your team will be invited, assigned correctly, and ready to get to work.